So can you really start on Pinterest with your personal account? Yes or no? Let's talk about this because let's see what is the difference between the personal and business account on Pinterest. Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest Manager and Strategist, and I'm here to show you the maximum potential of Pinterest, of this platform for your business. Because there are still some businesses, small business owners, who are not using this platform, and it's a huge potential. So let's go back to the video. Business account or personal account? Definitely think about it this way. Are you starting your business? Do you want to promote business on Pinterest? Then use business account. Easy, right? Basically, you have business account for business purpose, right? Because the personal account is only for your own inspiration, saving ideas, and just to basically use it to save pins from others for inspiration for later on. But business account has different features and tools you can use. So I would definitely recommend using business account. Now the question is, how do I know if I have business or personal account? So let's go on this on my account, which is obviously business. And then if you click on the top right corner, you see business above, like below pin inspiration, you see business, right? Maybe right now you click there and you see personal. So what does it mean? You have personal account. If you have business, it says business and it's a business Pinterest account. All right. Now you have a couple of options how you can make or set up business account. But first, you can obviously click on add account and make new business account, or you can set up totally new account not related to your personal one. How to set up business account, I'm showing in the starter kit. So there is also more information. So have a look or subscribe to my channel and see more ideas and tips for Pinterest. So let's go back to the business account. It looks like this, and the features we have and tools, it's on the top right corner, top left corner. You have the business, you see the business hub and home feed, business manager. Business manager is for accounts like with the campaigns, if you want to make ads, if you want to do any advertisement on Pinterest. So you have business manager, business hub and home feed. Then we have this option for creating pins, which is also for the personal account, but business account has extra analytic data. So overview, audience insight, conversion insights, and trends. And ads, of course. You can create ads and do any campaigns on Pinterest for conversions or for traffic. There's one more feature you can find on business account, and that's catalogs. Product catalog. So if you have eShop, you can easily connect your product catalog, your eShop with the products. It will create catalog with all your products and you can promote these products on Pinterest. So are you starting new business account or personal account? There's a question, but think about it. If you want to promote your business, start with business account. If you like my ideas and my tips about Pinterest for business, subscribe here and you will get every week, you get new ideas, new videos. So I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.